Hey guys, so here's an unboxing of the Disney Movie Club exclusive of Black Panther Wakanda Forever. Um, it's Blu-ray, DVD, and digital code. And the retail version, you don't get the DVD with the Blu-ray, just the Blu-ray and the digital code. And it's an exclusive slipcover, as well as the same cover below. So just a quick little unboxing here. Removing the digital code, but here it is, DVD and the Blu-ray disc. I mainly got this one because I like the cover. It's a pretty cool cover. I think at least in the U.S. for this movie, you've got of course, this one, the Disney Movie Club exclusive. Um, there's a Walmart exclusive that comes with a pin, 4K and Blu-ray, and then there's a two different Best Buy exclusive steelbooks, also of the same 4K and Blu-ray. I believe that's it for the U.S. exclusives. No Target exclusive this year. Um, it's too bad. I missed the Target exclusives that used to come with the books. Um, I have most of those, of the MCU movies with the books. Those are pretty cool. But anyway, there it is. I'll put it back in the slipcover. Pretty cool. Alright, I hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, comment, and all that jazz. Alright, until next time. Later.